Good morning students. Today I am going to start exercise 4.4 of chapter 4 quadratic equation. In previous exercise I have told you the nature of roots depends on the discriminant. What is discriminant? First I will tell you about the discriminant. This is quadratic formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The expression under the root b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, and it is represented by capital D. It is represented by capital D. The nature of roots depends upon three conditions. The first condition is if discriminant greater than 0 means positive, we obtain a positive value of the discriminant, then the roots are real and distinct. Number second, if D equals to 0, then nature of roots are real and equal. Okay. Number 3, if D is less than 0 means we obtain a negative value of D, then no real root exists. Okay, let us start exercise 4.4 of chapter 4. The question number first is, find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. First of all, we find the nature of roots. If real root exists, then find them. Part 1 of the question number first. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a equals to 2, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 5. Here coefficient of x square is a, and coefficient in the given equation coefficient of x square is 2, so a equals to 2. Coefficient of x is b, and in given equation coefficient of x is equals to minus 3, so b equals to minus 3. Constant term is c and constant term is 5, so c equals to 5. Now discriminant b square minus 4ac minus 3 square 4a 2c is 5. 3 3 is 9, 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40. Minus 31, that is less than 0, it means negative value. So the equation has no real root. Okay. Now second part of this question, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals to 0. We compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay. So a equals to 3. Coefficient of x is b, coefficient of x is minus 4 root 3, so b equals to minus 4 root 3 and c equals to 4. So discriminant D, b square minus 4ac, b is minus 4 root 3 square, a is 3 and c is 4. 48 minus 48, that is 0. D equals to 0, so equation has real and equal roots. Okay. Now by quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So minus 4 root 3 plus minus d is 0, 2 into a is 3, 4 root 3 upon 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So value of x is 2 root 3 upon 3. The roots are 2 root 3 upon 3 and second root is 2 root 3 upon 3. Since d equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. Okay. Now question number 2 of this exercise. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. It means value of k, such value of k that the equation has two equal roots. Question number 1 of question number 2, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, so a equals to 2, b equals to k and c equals to 3. Now since equation has two equal roots, so d equals to 0, that is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Placing the value of ABC, a is k, sorry, b is k, a is 2 and c is 3 equals to 0. Okay, so k square 4 to the 3 is 24 equals to 0. So k square equals to 24. We have to find the value of k. So taking square root both sides. So k equals to root 24 plus minus. So k equals to plus minus 2 root 6. Now question number 2. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. First of all, open the bracket. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. Then compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a equals to k, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to minus 2k and c equals to 6. So since roots are real and equal, so d equals to b square minus 4ac. We have to equals to 0. Roots real and equal, so d should be equals to 0. So b minus 2k whole square, for a value of k is a, value of a is k and c is 6 equals to 0. 4k square minus 24k equals to 0. Taking common part, that is 4k, k minus 6 equals to 0. If 4k equals to 0, then k equals to 0, or k minus 6 equals to 0, so k equals to 6. This is not possible. The k is equals to 0, it is not possible. So our answer is k equals to 6. K equals to 0 because if we place here k equals to 0, then the whole equation becomes 0. So it can be rejected. Now question number 3 of this exercise. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. We have to find, is it possible that a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square. So first of all, let the breadth of the grove be x. Therefore length will be 2x, because length is twice its breadth, so length will be 2x. According to question, area is 800 meters square. So as we know that area of rectangular globe is length into breadth. So 2x into x equals to 800 equals to 800, or 2x square minus 800 equals to 0. Is it possible? We have to find this situation is possible or not. For this we have to find the discriminant. So comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a equals to 2, b equals to 0, and c equals to minus 800. So d equals to b square minus 4ac. This is 0, a is 2, and c is minus 800. So 0 plus 4 to the 8 at the 6400. Okay, so 6400 is greater than 0. So this situation is possible. Now 2x square minus 800 equals to 0. 2x square equals to 800. X square equals to 800 upon 2, 400. So x square equals to 400, taking square root both sides. So x equals to plus minus 20. So length will be 2x. 2x means 2 into 20, 40 meter, and breadth will be x means 20 meter. Is the following situation is possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years were 48. We have to find the following situation is possible or not. For this, we have to given the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years, and 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. So let the age of first friend dx, present is the present age of first friend dx, and therefore the present age of other will be 20 minus x, because the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So first friend, if the age of first friend be x, then age of second friend will be 20 minus x. According to question, 4 years ago, the age of first friend was x minus 4. 4 years ago, the age of first friend was x minus 4, and age of second friend was 20 minus x minus 4, and the product of their ages was 48 at this time. X minus 4, 16 minus x, 20 minus 4, 16, 16 minus x equals to 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equals to 48, minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 equals to 0, minus x square plus 20x minus 112 equals to 0, or x square minus 20x plus 112 equals to 0. Comparing the equation, with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 20 and c equals to minus 112. Now c equals to 112. Now d equals to b square minus 4ac. b is minus 20, a is 1, c is 112. 400 square minus 448. Minus 48 less than 0. So this situation is not possible because the equation has no real root. So this situation is not possible. Now question number 5, last question of this exercise. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay, so see solution. Let length of the rectangular park be x and breadth by according to condition first of this question. The perimeter of the park is 80 meter. Perimeter, it means 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth is equals to 80 meter. So x plus y equals to 80 upon 2. So x plus y equals to 40 meter. Okay, this is equation first. According to condition second, area x into y equals to 400 meter square. The area, length into breadth is area. So area is equals to 400 meter square. This is equation number 2. Now from equation first, y equals to 40 minus x, placing the value of y from equation third in equation 2. So x, y is 40 minus x equals to 400. So 40x minus x square minus 400 equals to 0. So minus x square plus 40x minus 400 equals to 0. Okay, this situation is possible or not, we have to find discriminant. So a, comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a equals to minus 1, b equals to 40 and c equals to minus 400. So d equals to b square minus 4ac. b is 40, a is minus 4 and c is minus 400. 1600 plus minus 1600. Minus minus plus minus minus 1600. This is 0. It means d is 0 means equation, this situation is possible. Now we have to find the roots of this equation. By quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b, this is 40, plus minus b square minus 4ac is 0 और a is minus 1 minus 40 plus minus 0 upon minus 2 40 upon 2 20 placing the value of x in equation first. Equation first is x plus y equals to 40. So x is 20, y you have to find the value of y equals to 40. So y equals to also 40 minus 20, y equals to 20. So length is 20 meter and breadth is also 20 meter. Understood?